Well, hello, everybody, and welcome to Mommy Paints with Diamonds. And I'm super excited today because I'm doing an unboxing. This is by Diamond Art Club. It is called Lady Creole. And we're going to dive right into this. I'm super excited. These are round diamonds. So let's just get into this. So I've already taken things out of the box and we have a toolkit. You guys are familiar with the toolkit if you're familiar with Diamond Art Club, and we'll go through that. But I want to get to this. I've been so excited about opening her up. So she is in a dust cover. And so let's just open it up. I like to save these for whatever reason. So we're just going to open this up. I know we've got drills in here. Diamond Art Club is just so amazing. I just love the drills. I love the artwork. And so we have our drills in the package and some things, and we'll take a look at that stuff here in just a little bit. But I want to go ahead and open her up. And so what I'm going to do, this canvas is so soft. I love the Diamond Art Club canvases. They're very soft. They have the scalloped ends to make sure that your canvas does not fray. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to roll it back. Now, this is a snack size, what we like to call a snack size painting. It's not very big. But the reason that I want to do this one is because I just finished the Claws and Paws event. And yeah, I wanted to, wow, look at her. Already, I'm in love with her. Already, I'm in love with her. If you guys watched my whip and chat, you know that I am just so in love with expressions. And she has such a beautiful expression on her face. I'm going to bring this up a little bit closer so that you guys can see this, so that you can actually see her face. Look at that. I love it. Look at her expression. She just looks like she's just so confident. And yeah, the symbols are easy to read. You have a legend on both sides of the canvas. Yeah, this is going to be fun. Now, it's called Lady Creole, and it's a Mandy Manzano. This is my very first Mandy Manzano. Again, she puts that expression on those faces. It actually tells a story. So what I want to do now, guys, this paper's going to be crinkly. I love the crinkly paper. We have our drill. So if you have headphones on or something like that, pause for just a second and let's get into some drills, the fun stuff. Let's get into the diamonds. So we've got this going here. We've got a couple of ABs happening with her. I think we have 2 ABs. So let's just go ahead and take a look at the drills, and then we will find out where these ABs go. But yeah, she's really pretty. It's not going to take me very long to do her. She is, let's see, she is 12 by 6 by 18 or 32 centimeters by 46 centimeters. But let's just take a look at these beautiful drills and see what color scheme we've got going. Let's see here. So let's just take a look here. We have got 991, pretty green. We have 938. That's like a nice brown color there. We have 986, another pretty green. This is going to be so pretty. 900. We have 355. We have, of course I don't have my glasses on, 699, 906, 130, and guess what? It is an AB. Look at that. That has that special coating on there where it picks up color from the drills that are around it. And then we have 782, 780, 890, lots of greens, and let's see, 720. We have 741 and 310s. We have 2 bags of 310s. So let's go. Let's see. Let's get the next one out. There's a total of 34 colors in this kit. Now these bags are a little bit smaller. So here, can you see that? Here, let me fix it so that you can see it. We have 993. I love that color. That is really pretty. 644, 3846, 3865, 141. Ah, there's an AB. We've got that beautiful AB. I love those 141s. They're really pretty. Then we have 550, 3837. That's a really pretty purple. I'm liking these purples that are in here. We've got 3845. That's really pretty too. 823. That's a really deep purple. And we have 3777, 3844. Let's see. I can't see. 314, 992, 728. Beautiful colors. 742, 3814. Did we do that one? 939, 898. 907 and 783. This 989 is a really pretty color. I actually had that one in my last project that I worked on, cat playing in ribbon. So what we want to do now, we want to find out where these ABs are going to go. So the first AB is, let's see, 130. So it looks like the 130s are highlighting around her head here. And in the flower in her hair, you could see that. And then we have some ones down here in the flowers. So she's kind of like covered, kind of draped with some greenery and some flowers. And then we have some ones that are accenting here on her chest. And then in the flowers here, we've got some ones. And then there's some in this flower here. So that's going to be really, really super duper pretty. So we have 2s. That's your 141. That's that pretty white color. So it looks like we've got those ABs. They're actually outlining the top here. And they're actually coming down the side. So that's going to be pretty. So it looks like the 2s, the 141 ABs are going to be framing her face. So that's going to be really nice. So yeah, she's going to be really pretty. So I'm going to work on this. Oh, look, there's some 2s in her lips. So it's going to make her lips pop. Make those lips pop. It's going to be really pretty. So I'm going to work on this kit before drills and chills begin. And so as you guys know, you do have a legend. And you have these cute little stickers that you can actually, look at that. Look at her. Look at her. Isn't she pretty? I wish I could get my eyebrows to look like that. But anyway, you do have your stickers here. And these are the regular symbols that we're accustomed to with Diamond Art Club. I don't see anything different or new here. And again, it's 32 colors. I like to take these stickers and put them on my containers. And then this, it helps me keep track of when I started and when I finished. And you can see it's Mandy Manzano. And then we've got rounds, and here we go. That's our sizes there. And also this, make sure when you get your box that you take a look at you'll make sure you grab the sticker out of here, because this can go on top of your box. So when you store your box away, you'll have that. And what else? Oh, the toolkit. Okay, so I love the trays. This is an acrylic tray. I like that. It's not the plastic ones, and it actually have the stopper. There is a stopper. Well, I think I dropped the stopper. But yeah, here's the stopper that goes along with that. Keeps your drills from falling out. And then we have our pen here and the little scrunchy squishy thingy for your hand to keep your hands protected. And then the famous Diamond Art Club wax, and there's 2 in there with a neat little container. I love these. I absolutely love. Actually, the Diamond Club Art Wax is not bad at all. And then look at this. We've got, I'm going to bring this up close to you so that you can see it. Here's the washi tape. That's pretty. It actually has some sparkle to it. So there's the focus. There we go. Washi tape. And then the cover minder. Yeah, it's got the magnet on the back. Cute little teddy bear. He's so cute. Oops, and I dropped him. All right, so there you go. So this is Lady Creole. We're gonna work on this. I think I'm gonna go ahead and section her off with the release paper and get started and work on this little snack size before I start drills and chills. So yeah, but I want to thank you guys for watching my very first unboxing, and stay tuned because I'll probably be working on her on the next whip and chat. But thanks again, and come back again for another unboxing. I think I want to do these maybe once a week. So yeah, got a nice little stash going. So in the meantime, guys, happy diamond painting, stay safe, and always remember to be kind.